Here's my digital logic and microprocessors project. This project is supposed to simulate the workings of a V6 engine, which I have designed myself on CAD, using a stepper motor, a motor driver, potentiometer, an LCD display to indicate how fast the engine is running, or to show its display's RPM, LEDs to indicate its RPM in visuals, and an Arduino Mega, as it requires a lot of digital output pins. So this is plugged in directly using power source, 9-volt power source, directly into the wall. And then to start this engine, plug that in, and then you have this potentiometer that connects, or should I say, it connects to the stepper motor directly. So you increase this, you can see slight flicker on the screen. You can see the percentage over here, in fact, the percentage of the total RPM, which goes up to 450 RPM. And as you can see, as this increases, the light changes, indicating that it is approaching max speed. There we go. As you can see, the stepper motor is running. However, due to mechanical limitations, the 3D printed parts require a lot more torque. Therefore, the stepper motor does not have enough torque, and it cannot actually simulate the engine running. So many experiments were attempted using gears, stuff like that, but it's too complex of a mechanical problem for this course. Therefore, this is the project for now. Thank you.